looking for the leader. It's Flywheel in front by Sam Tulangs, followed now by Madame Ruby Moderna. And moving up now for the outside is Wildcat, but it's still Flywheel in front by Sam Two lengths now, it's Flywheel, Liz Balang, Kanya, followed by Madame Rubia. Wildcat now running in third, down in fourth, Moderna. 3 lengths for the backup, Dane that. Alongside now is Snow White, then followed by Beautiful Day, long way back, you never know. And Color Blast who's running on the tail of the field. And as they raise the far to now, Madam Ruby and moving up, Wildcat, now by the outside, down for the inside is Flywheel. And towards the last 400 now, Madame Ruby, Wildcat now collided in front, 2 lengths for the back now, dropping in third is Flywheel. And final turn now, Wildcat, Madame Ruby, fighting it out for the leader. Wildcat now by the outside, down for the inside is Madame Ruby, Flywheel, Captain Death. And Beautiful Day, but is still Wild Cat and Madame Ruby fighting back. Wildcat still in front, Madame Ruby once again. And finally, close finish, Wildcat, Madame Ruby, Flywheel, Beautiful Day, then couple of runners.
And indeed, we have a photo finish. Quarter times, 14:23, 23 and a half, finishing at 28 for a total time of 1 minute 29 for 1400 meters on that final race. Photo for first between Madame Ruby and Wildcat. A slow-mo replay as they turn for home. It's Madame Ruby and a challenge from Wildcat from the outside. The flag bearer, Flywheel, is speeding up the scene. And at this point, Jeff Tagulao Zarate continues whipping his horse, Madame Ruby. So as the rider of Wildcat, A.R. Ramos. Both riders are doing all out, hands, sticks, and heels down to the finish line. It's Madame Ruby, our Wildcat from the outside, regains another vigor. And down the wire, it's going to be a tight one between Madame Ruby and Wildcat. It's indeed too close to call. Then Flywheel took third, fourth, Beautiful Day. Then comes Captain Death, and